Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are changing the transmission oil and the final drive oil on this old BMW. I will take a little drive to make the oil hot so it will come out easier. I have also included some pictures of the guide I was following, which I found online. And you will now experience some bad English and heavy breathing in the course of this video, so enjoy. Okay, we are back in the garage, and now we will drain the oil, the transmission oil, or what it's called, I think from here, and the final drive oil from here, and fill here, and I think I have to fill this as well. There we go. And then to drain it, we go inside of here. Oh, that's smelly oil. No. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing? This is where you drain it from, and this is where you fill it. I don't have a torque wrench, so I have to do this the old style, Unabonga style. And Unabonga says it's tight. Tight enough for me. Okay, this is nice. So, when filling this oil, according to me and what I read, you just fill it until it comes back like this, and then it's supposed to be full. So, yeah. Now I'll just let the rest of that come back out. Okay. Now we have enjoyed life. Let's see. Yeah, that's oil. That's A-OK. And I still don't have a torque wrench for this, so it's going to be Unabonga style. Yeah, that seems tight. Okay, drain and fill. And this is the 75 W90. So I don't know what was in it before, so maybe it is more silent now, I don't know. We will find out. I can start it up after this. It smells really bad. Oh my god, it smells incredibly bad. And now I'm going to take the final drive, the Kardang shaft drive oil, I don't know. Drain, fill. And how do you think this smells? Please be
Don't be hot. Don't be hot. Nah.
And of course, as you can see, I made a mess and a lot of it spilled on the floor. So that's gonna make a nice stain.
And it's really nice. Wait. There we go. Patient enough for this. So we are gonna take it back in. And again, no torque wrench. So this is all Unabonga. But how Unabonga? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Look at this shit. Oh my god. It smells so bad here. This one as well, as I read online, you just fill until it comes out again, and then it's supposedly full. Or, yeah, I don't know how it should be. Alright. Okay. What? Okay.
Yes, I didn't understand. It was already full, but I kept pouring.
Is it full already? No. Or is it full? Okay, it's full. Nice. But then it's going to drip again. No. And this as well, we have to go old style. I think I just murdered the crusher washer, or what's its name. There we go.
I think the battery on the bike is about to die, but let's just try to fire it up. Neutral. Okay. Nice.
So then we have just filled the final drive
And transmission fluid or transmission oil. Yeah, both are oil.
So I have a lot of cleaning up to do. because of course I spilled, but that's it. Now I just have to clean the bike and put it on a charger, and it's ready for winter. So thank you, hope you enjoyed it, and I'm no pro, but you can see it's not that hard, I think. Okay, bye bye.